Hello everyone, let's fold a cute little bear face today. Start by placing the color you want on the bottom. Now fold the paper in half corner to corner like a triangle. Next, fold both sides into the bottom point.
Fold with me, let's fly and fold so happily.
Take the little flaps we just made and fold them up.
Let's fold with me today. Buzz, buzz, fold, fold. Here we play. Easy peasy, easy peasy. We fly and fold so
Now fold down the middle point. Like this, that's the top of the head.
let's go be, we're brave and bold.
Let's fold up the bottom edge too, that makes the bear's chin. See the pointy bits on the sides? Fold those in just a little to round the face. Flip it over and fold the ears down, just a little bit on each side.
Bright and breezy.
I'm using double-sided tape to hold everything in place, but glue or regular tape works great too.
Let's go be, we're brave.
Now it's time to draw. Use a black pen to make two little eyes, nose, and cute smile. And that's it, your bear is ready to say hello. If you liked folding with Bee today, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. See you next time.